guys, so we are driving today, about a 5-hour drive. Gonna pick up a new addition to Rex Wurx Outdoors. Stick around. Hey guys, it's Rex Wurx Outdoors. Today I'm picking up a new piece of equipment from Platinum Trailer Group in Trumann, Arkansas. So if you've been watching my channel any at all, you've heard me talk a few times that I'm eventually gonna purchase a dump trailer. Well, that's what's happening today. I traveled 5.5 hours to Trumann, Arkansas to visit Platinum Trailer Group to pick up my dump trailer. Stick around. I'll give you a walk around of what my trailer is going to be like, and we're going to look at a couple other trailers for possible future pieces of equipment. Stick around. So I'm not in the market for a bigger equipment trailer today, but I might be soon. So they're in there doing my paperwork on my dump trailer. We're just going to kind of walk around and look at some of the other trailers they have here. This one is a load trail. I think it's a 20-foot equipment trailer. Looks like two 7,000 pound axles. 2-foot dovetail. It's got drop jacks on the back for stability, looks like. This is something kind of like what I might be in the market for in the future. So Platinum Trailer Group, they have all different types of trailers. They've got load trail, they've got Raw Max, they've got Horizon, they've got Aluma trailers, they've got Raw Max roll-offs, they've got small utility trailers, big utility trailers. This side over here is mostly the equipment trailers. Then they've got utility trailers, and then dump trailers, and then bigger dump trailers, goosenecks. That's a pretty good sized trailer right there. I can only imagine what that thing costs. But we're not looking at anything like that. We're not going that deep. We're starting small. Hey guys, it's Rex Wurx Outdoors. So today we are at Platinum Trailer Group in Trumann, Arkansas, and I'm picking up my dump trailer. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen me talk about I'm getting a dump trailer, I'm getting a dump trailer. Today's the day. We drove 5.5 hours from over by Joplin, Missouri to Trumann, Arkansas, and we are here. So today I'm picking up a load trail. This is my load trail DE. It's a 7x14. It's got two 7,000 pound axles. It's 8-inch I-beam. It's only got the 18-inch sides, which is what I wanted, because it'd be more for my mini skid. That way I can get over the top of it easier. But it's got 10-gauge floor. I believe it's got 12-gauge sides, which to me that's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker for me, because I'm usually pretty ginger and tender on my stuff. I don't like tearing it up. I tend to take care of it. So this is the load trail. It's got a dual gate.
Yep.
It can swing out, and it's got the bar doors on back. It's got different attachment points. It's got the diamond plate fenders. It is an amazing trailer for me, for sure. So I've been looking at trailers for a while. I started the search in October of last year. I went to the Trailer Expo with Brock from Rockhill Farms, and that started the ball rolling. I knew I was going to be buying one, so I've been researching. They're pretty expensive, I'll tell you they are. But I stumbled upon an ad for Platinum Trailer Group you would not believe the price that I paid for this thing. That's why I drove 5.5 hours. They beat everybody, hands down, thousands of dollars. I'm not going to tell you the price, but thousands of dollars compared to what I was looking at closer to home. I was going to be paying close to $2,000 for the exact same trailer, the exact same model trailer. It's stupid. So I came to Trumann, Arkansas, and I want you to meet the gentleman that sold it to me. His name is Travis.
Hey guys, Travis Crawford here, Platinum Trailer Group. Been working here for quite some time now. Been working with Rex back and forth, comparing models. The main thing is I'll be comparing is the DE compared to a DL. And now if y'all want to come over here and look at the DLs, the only difference is DL is going to be a little bit more expensive, a little bit more, I guess, sturdier, if you will. They have different options as far as it's more than 18-inch sides. You're going to have like 2-foot sides and up, 2-foot, 3-foot, 4-foot sides. Option to have telescopic and stuff, 7-gauge floor. But like our economy line is going to be the DEs. Still 7K axles, both going to have the same axles. A little bit more on the payload wise because a little bit less weight of a trailer. But scissor lift, definitely do everything you need it to do. Definitely got a wide range of trailers here. And I know we kind of weighed quite a few options back and forth, and he was definitely asking some tough questions, if you will.
I had my heart set on a 7-gauge floor. That in my mind, I had to have a 7-gauge floor. And my brother-in-law's got a trailer with a 7-gauge. My buddy Randy, which you've seen in some of my videos, he's got a dump trailer that's got 10-gauge. And I've been here recently, been beating the tar out of his trailer, dropping big logs and chunks of concrete. And even though it's his trailer, I'm still ginger on it, and it's still, it's solid, even though it's 10-gauge. So I got to thinking, is that 7-gauge floor worth $3,000+ for me with some of the other stuff? At this point, no. I'm just getting started, so I wanted to save that money and be able to spend that money elsewhere on other attachments or other things. So I've been dealing with Travis, and I talked myself into the DE, which is the economy model, versus the DL. There are some differences between the DE and the DL. The frame structure, correct me if I'm wrong, Travis, but the frame structure for both models are the exact same.
They're the exact same.
Exact same axles, exact same I-beam frame. All of that is exactly the same.
Absolutely,
All of the jack, all of the pump, everything is all.
Well, it ain't got a battery in it, but
all of the framing for the DE and the DL is all the same.
It's more or less really the options that you can get on them. See, like the shortest one standard for a DL is going to be 2-foot sides. You have the option to either have 10-gauge floor, 7-gauge like this one right here, 7-gauge floor with telescopic. You can get scissor lift style. Another thing that's different from a DE is they got a little bit more structure, like far as cross members underneath the bottom of the actual bed of it, like far as the frame wise. A little bit beefier, a little bit heavier of a trailer, if you will. I would say one thing that's different though. What I think that makes DE sticks out because they're like your economy line, but they have the same exact, axles on it. So you're actually technically getting a little bit more payload because you got a little bit lighter of a trailer.
Exactly.
So like this one, like this one right here, 9770 on the payload.
Yeah, I think mine was 9940.
Yep, just a little bit more.
Yeah, so you're gaining a couple hundred pounds, which it's not a lot.
Really,
it's a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely.
To stay within the law. Yeah, if you're worried about getting in trouble with the law, you definitely want to mind your payload. So.
Oh, for sure.
This one, the DL does have channel. The other one does not. It looks like it's box frame.
Yeah, like a box bed, yes, sir.
Yeah, it's boxed in. But all the scissor lift is all the same.
Yep.
All of the cylinders, everything else is the same.
Yep. Same. Even down to the same warranty. Load Trail's got a 2-year on their parts. They got 3-year structure, and then they got 2-year roadside, and then through Dexter, because these are all name brand Dexter axles, you're going to have 5 years on the axle through Dexter.
Wow. Okay.
So that's a big thing too. And one thing about Load Trail is all powder coated, not painted like some other these cheaper brands and everything like that. Yeah. So all powder coated, all put in the oven. Definitely
LED lights all the way
Yes, sir. LED lights, and one thing you missed earlier, they even have slide-in ramps in the rear too if you want to put equipment and stuff like that in there as well.
Yep.
But yeah.
Mine come with the cold weather harness. It did come with this style of harness,
which I think it's a big upgrade too, because I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. So like say, how most people will leave them like they'll let them drag the ground,
Yep.
and they won't plug them up, and they all get all messed up and got to replace it. Well, the good thing is they have these nice harnesses, and it's actually throughout the trailer. There's even another hot dog plug back here.
Oh yeah.
You just untwist it, and we can order you a new,
great.
just a new 7-way.
You don't have to
you don't have to rewire the whole entire trailer. It's nice. That's a very big plus too. Yeah. We've done that quite a bit. A lot of people are like, man, I messed up. You know.
Now, the red one here is just like, I mean, these are all the same trailer. They just got different colors. They got multiple greens. They've got grays and red. The red one is just like the one that I've got, and that is not all the way up, and that's a pretty good dump angle. Whenever you have my trailer all the way up, it is 40. I'm going to say 40 to at least 40 degree angle, and if anything sticks in that trailer,
you'd be lucky.
Have some other issues.
Yeah, you'd be lucky. Hang on a second. We don't really have most of these all hooked up. And that's full. That's full tilt right there. I mean, for a little 14-foot lighter trailer, around 4,000 pounds roughly, that's a pretty good angle right there for sure. So these trailers weigh 4,130 pounds as well. 4,130. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Real quick on the barn doors. The barn doors do have the trailers only have the one connecting point, and if you hit something, it'll bend them out. Good thing about load trailer, it does have the two spots there that hold the trailer doors together.
Yeah, for sure. And then your spreader gate, of course, which you can change this. And another thing we can also add, like some people's like, well, I really want to use a spreader gate, but I don't want to have my remote control. You know, and it's going to be kind of hard being in the truck and try to spread. Sure. Well, we also sell tough wireless remotes and different upgrades. A lot of upgrade options actually. We usually come with 10-ply tires. You can upgrade to 14 plies. That tough wireless remote, you can just like a key fob like your truck, and you can operate the dump and everything else like that. Upgrade to hydraulic jacks. There's an array of different accessories and add-ons you can all have. Sure. But yeah, definitely nice. Definitely for a standard, like economy dump trailer, low sides like this, the payload before you overload this trailer, I think you'll overflow it, if that makes sense, honestly. And I think that's where they stand out on these 18-inch sides like that, because the payload's so substantial. I think you'll run out of real estate before you overload it. So the DE does have 6 D rings welded. It's got 2 in the front, 2 about 2/3 the way back, and then 2 up on the sides at the very back. And a full tarp as well. Yes. All of them come with tarps too. So Travis, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you and possibly talk to you about a trailer, what would be the best way to get a hold of you? You can call or text. My personal cell is 870-530-0009. You can call the store phone, ask for Travis Crawford. I even have, we got 5 different stores. So this is technically the first one, the main one that's actually opened. We got one in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We got one in Malvern, Arkansas. Even got one in Bastrop, Louisiana, and we got one in Athens, Georgia. And I can sell off any lot, and we have an array of, salesmen and everything else that can help you and answer any of your questions. So sell from Load Trail, Raw Max to Horizon, even some Anvil cargo trailers. You name it, we could probably get it. I promise you. Yeah, they've got utility trailers. They've got dump trailers. They've got livestock trailers. They've got roll-off bins. Oh yeah. They've got your bigger dumpsters, your 20-foot dumpsters. They've got just about any type of trailer that purchase. Hydraulic dovetail. We got some that's got disc brakes. I mean, you name it. We got a lot. We got a lot more coming in. We actually, pretty sure we got 4 or 5 loads coming in. Okay. This week. We're all constantly getting new stuff in all the time. So if you want to talk to Travis, I'm going to put a link in the bottom corner. I'll link his business card in there, and I'll also link Platinum Trailer Group. If you're interested in a trailer, reach out to Travis. The guy is phenomenal. He hasn't been selling trailers for very long. He's a hardworking man that decided that he wanted to stay home with his family, so he decided to do this. But I'll tell you, he bent over backwards for me. He talked to me on a Sunday, which people normally don't do, but he was with his family, and he picked up the phone and called me and talked to me, which
I definitely commit. I didn't want to stay on the phone very long, but he answered every question I had. So I hope that if you guys are in the market for a trailer, you will definitely reach out to Travis and Platinum Trailer Group. Give them a chance. I guarantee they can probably beat. I know they can probably beat any price
Absolutely.
in the business.
And we got over 600 trailers in stock, and like I said, we're getting more every time. Every week we're getting more loads in at every different store. So
awesome.
I promise you, we're very competitive. Love to earn your business for sure.
Awesome. Well, guys, this has been Rex with Rex Wurx Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you want to see more videos, I want to put links in the description to more of my videos, and I hope you like and share. But before I go, I just want to say, grandsons, I hope you're having a good day. Pop Q loves you. Happy birthday, Callister.